Hello everyone. Hello all of my followers in YouTube. What's up? What are you guys up today? Today is Tuesday, December 9th. And yesterday it snowed hard, and also today will snow so hard. And that will not stop us continue providing the best junk removal service around the area. Check it out, the trailers are full. And see how much snow we have. That's a lot of snow. But all of you know, junk removal service is essential service. It is and it is not. When people want junk removal, they want it now. They are not scheduling, or well, some of them they do, but a lot of them they just realize they have a lot of junk around, and like it or not, they need to get rid of those items. And guess what? We need to be ready with our boots. You see these boots? We are ready to handle any type of junk removal. And now we can provide any commercial hauling. We provide Class A service. We don't have that at the moment, but we license for that, and we are ready to plow. We don't do commercial plowed. We don't do plowed for people, but if somebody needs it, of course, we'll get it done. But if you see my YouTube followers, this is what we have today. We have a snow shovel and an ice scraper. And we know that load over there with junk, it's gonna get stuck. And we need to be ready to get that junk that it sticks on